In the last video, we already learned about how to display items with the checkboxes on a dialog. In this video, here I am going to show you how to display items with the radio buttons on a dialog. So here we are going to display the dialog using dialog fragment. Here is the onCreateDialog method. We have the builder object here. So we can configure the dialog using the builder object. First, add some title on the dialog. Okay, so here we have a string array inside the string.xml called the colors that contains some color names. So we are going to display these color names on the dialog. So first here I'm going to create some string array variable. Now for save the user selection, create another variable selection. Okay, so for add items with the radio buttons, you have to call the method called the set single choice items on the builder object. So builder set single choice items, specify the resource. Second parameter is which item need to be selected. If there is no items need to be selected, you have to pass -1. That means when the items appear, no items will be selected. Now we can specify the click listener. So when user select an item, this method will be invoked. So in that method, we can save the user selection on the variable called the selection. So colors, you can get the position using this variable which. Okay, so now we can specify the positive and negative buttons on the dialog. So builder set positive button, specify the label. Now specify the click events, click listener. Okay, now specify the negative button. Now specify the click listener. So when user click the positive button, we can display the user selection using a task. Selected color is selection. So now the project is ready. Now we can test it. So I run the project. So now we can display the dialog. So now here is the dialog that contains radio buttons, so that user can select only one item at a time. So now this is the selection. Now select another color. So this is how we display items with the radio buttons on a dialog. I hope you understand the concept. For getting more Android tutorial updates, please subscribe this channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.